Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on TikTok. So the first way you can do that is when you see a profile here. Basically, if you click this plus icon, you're gonna follow them and the plus icon is gonna be gone. So if you want to unfollow this person, you need to click on their profile. It's gonna open up the profile and here you can see this person icon, and if you click on this icon you basically just unfollowed this person and you can follow them back. So this is how you unfollow a person this way. But you have another way, because you obviously not going to remember all the profiles that you followed and you're not going to search for them one by one by scrolling through your TikTok feed. So you need to click your profile on the bottom right corner, and here under your profile picture you're gonna see the following list of yours. So I'm following 2 people currently. You just need to click on this one and here you can follow the people one by one. You can also look at their profile if you're not sure about who they are by clicking on their profile picture, and you can unfollow them the same way I just showed you previously. But you can also unfollow them by clicking on the following text. Alright, so all in all, this is how to unfollow someone on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.